There's no other lure like this out there that draws these kind of strikes. Just very unique, very impressive lure. Right there, baby. Woo! Off the hook. Look at that fat rainbow. Look at that studly fish. He is fat, he's heavy. Get him back in the water. And of course, here is the cripple minnow in that watermelon color, man. That is just a killer lure, and it is putting big fish in the boat today. Get it back in the water. Howdy guys, Kel Kellogg here. I'm coming to you from the FHS patio boat. Wes and I feel this is the ultimate trout fishing machine. We've got dual Mag 10 Cannon electric downriggers. We've got a state-of-the-art Minn Kota trolling motor on the front. We've got state-of-the-art Humminbird electronics in the helm. We can see what's going on, speed, temperature, all that. But we just added what we feel is the most important electronic feature on this boat, and we feel it sets us apart from any trout boat on the West Coast. Wes, hit that button. As you can see, we have added a compressed air La Cucaracha food truck horn, and we hit that button every time we catch a trout. And the folks here at Collins Lake are starting to ask the question, what is that sound? Well, that's the FHS team catching more and bigger trout, baby. I'll catch you next time right here on YouTube.